Standard 9, we are doing logarithms with you. We were doing logarithms with you, and we had finished basic conversion from the index form to logarithmic form, or from logarithmic form to index form, and we had dealt with changing of things. Now let us do some more questions. Like it says, log x to the base 10 is equal to a, log y to the base 10 is equal to b. He wants to write 10 to the power a minus 1 in terms of x, 10 to the power 2b in terms of y, and log p to the base 10 is 2a minus b. He wants to write p in terms of x and y. We always told you that if it is log, for example, log x to the base 10 is equal to a, then if I want to change a logarithmic form from the logarithmic form to the index form, it will become 10 to the power a is equal to x. It was logarithmic form. From logarithmic form it changed to index form. We take the base from here to the power, we raise 10 to the power a, and we should get a, because we told you that exponent is logarithms. Logarithm is the power, or the exponent is the log. Now we have got 10 to the power a is equal to x. He wants to express 10 to the power a minus 1 in terms of x. 10 to the power a minus 1 can be written as 10 to the power a into 10 to the power minus 1. If bases are same, powers get added. For example, 10 to the power a is x into 10 to the power minus 1, or it will be x upon 10. So we have expressed 10 to the power a minus 1 in terms of x. We have expressed it in terms of x. Second is 10 to the power 2b in terms of y. So we had, first of all, let us see what was there given to us. Log y to the base 10 is equal to b. So I'll again change it to the index form. 10 to the power b will become power y. 10 to the power b will become y. 10 to the power b will become y. Now I want to express 10 to the power 2b. 10 to the power 2b means 10 to the power b to the power 2. Power law. If it is power to the power, it gets multiplied. Or you could write 10 to the power b. I could write it the same way, 10 to the power b and 10 to the power b, one and the same thing. Whether I write in this form, whether I write it like that. And 10 to the power b is y, so it will become y squared. We have to express 10 to the power 2b in terms of y. Now the third one is log p to the base 10 is equal to 2a minus b. So 10 to the power 2a minus b will be equal to p, or 10 to the power 2a into 10 to the power minus b is equal to p. Now 10 to the power 2a means what? 10 to the power a, 10 to the power a, and it can be 10 to the power b also. If I change the index from negative to positive, what is the value of 10 to the power a? 10 to the power a was given as x. So it is x into x upon, and 10 to the power b was equal to what? 10 to the power b was equal to y. So it will become x squared upon y. So p has been expressed in terms of x square upon x square and x and y. It comes x square upon y. 10 to the power a into 10 to the power a upon 10 to the power b. So x square upon y. Thank you. Let's see the next question. Log x to the base 3 is equal to a. Find 81 to the power a minus 1 in terms of x. Always change from log form to the exponential form. Like in this question, it is given log 3 to the x to the base 3 is equal to a. So 3 to the power a will be equal to x. A is called the log. A is called the log. The exponent is the log. We have to express 81 in terms of x. 81 to the power a minus 1. 81 means 3 to the power 4 to the power a minus 1. That means 3 to the power 4a minus 4. Or I can write out as 3 to the power 4a, 3 to the power minus 4. That means 3 to the power a to the power 4 upon 1 upon 3 to the power 4. Making the index from negative to positive. 3 to the power a is x. So it will become x to the power 4 upon 81. 3 to the power 4 is 81. So x to the power 4 upon 81, we have expressed 81 a to the power a minus 1 in terms of x. Now let us see question number 2. He says log x to the base 2 is a, log y to the base 3 is a. Find 12 to the power 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1 in terms of 12. Let us see. It is log x to the base, let's rub it out. Log x to the base a is 2 is equal to a, and log x to the base y to the base 3 is equal to a. So it will be 2 to the power a is x and 3 to the power a is equal to y, changing from log to the exponent form. Now we have to express 12 to the power 2x minus 1 in terms of x and y. In terms of x and y. In terms of, it is 2a, not 2x, otherwise 2a. 2a in terms of x and y. So 12 to the power 2a, 12 to the power minus 1. 12 means 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2a. Why? 2 to the power 2 is 4, 4 3s are 12. We will express it in terms of 2 and 3 because I have got 2 to the power a and 3 to the power a. So it will become and 1 upon 12 here it will become. 2 to the power 4a it will be, and 3 to the power 2a upon 12. 2 to the power a is x, so it is x to the power 4. 3 to the power a is y, so it is y squared upon 12. If you want to understand 2 to the power a to the power 4, 3 to the power a to the power 2 upon 12. 2 to the power a is x, 3 to the power a is y, so x squared, x to the power 4 up into y square upon 12. Now he has given some questions in the log form to be changed into exponent form, from the logarithmic form to the exponential form. For example, question number 4 is log 4 to the base 8 is equal to 2 upon 3. Now what do we do? 8 to the power 2 upon 3 is equal to 4. 8 to the power 2 upon 3 is 4. Actually 8 to the power 3, 2 upon 3 is 4. It is changing simply from logarithmic form to exponential form. Log 32 to the base 8 is equal to 5 upon 3. So again 8 to the power 5 upon 3 is equal to 32. Log 0.001 to the base 10 is equal to minus 2. So it will be 10 to the power minus 2 is equal to 0.001. And log 1 upon a to the base a is equal to minus 1 will imply a is equal to minus 1 is equal to 1 upon a.